white Chevy Silverado with California plates 5J83779 and paint peeling off the hood. The juvenile is a 5-year-old female named Leila Black. She is 3 feet 6 inches, with brown hair, brown eyes, and 40 pounds. Suspect Byron Black is a 42-year-old white male, 6 feet tall, 180 pounds, with brown eyes and brown hair. Leila was last seen Friday, January 26th near Princeton, Kentucky.
Alert has been declared.
Suspect is considered
armed and dangerous
with
a juvenile in a 1996 white Chevy Silverado with California plates 5J83779.